Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got a special video for you guys, something that I've been wanting to do to the STI for a while, and I'm going to be installing an Accessport to it. So I picked up the Accessport a couple weeks ago. I haven't really done anything to it. I've been running the Cobb Stage 1 tune on it for a while. I don't really notice much of a difference other than its driving style changed a little bit, a little more like my RSX, where it's likes to be driven more aggressively. I don't know how else to explain it, but yeah, you kind of have to drive it a little more aggressive, I guess is the best way I can describe it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just mount it up, which is really the only thing that's pending to it. So I picked up this little mount and we're gonna install it, and then I'm gonna go do a pull, and yeah, we'll see how it does. I did already race a car with this tune, and it was a Chevy Silverado single cab. If you guys haven't checked it out, then follow me on Instagram, because I posted it there because I didn't have a GoPro set up. It was kind of like a unexpected race, I guess. And yeah, the STI pulled on them, but it did pull a little harder. The peak PSI for that pull was 17.5, which is the highest I've seen on this car. The highest I had seen before was 17.2, and that's when I added the octane booster. I've had this car for a year. I don't really abuse it that much other than when I'm filming, but yeah, I did notice it went up to 17.5 with the new tune. So we'll see. Maybe today I think it's a little cooler than it was before, so maybe we can get a little higher. But yeah, let me mount it up and then we'll keep going. All right, the Accessport is plugged in and everything's connected. Wires in there, tucked in. So yeah, I do have the MA Performance Stage 1 tune already, and I do plan on putting it in and comparing the two. But for now, since I already have the Cobb Stage 1 tune, I've been running it for only 2 weeks, I do want to run it a little longer and just see if there's any difference between the two. Because for the MA Performance I had to pay, I think it was $80 for it, and the Cobb Stage 1 tune came with the Accessport. Even though I bought it used, it's still in the Accessport itself. So for 300 bucks I got a Stage 1 tune and an Accessport. So I think it's a pretty good deal. Alright, so Accessport is plugged in, everything's ready to go. I'm gonna start the car for you guys. Starts up. Everything starts up. AFR's got a little high right there. I don't know if that's normal. I don't really monitor it, but I guess I will now since I have it plugged in. And yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but a couple weeks ago I uploaded a short of me launching the STI, and I use launch control for that. I'll put maybe like a little annotation somewhere here so you guys can watch it. Yeah, launch control was pretty cool. I've never launched a car with launch control. It made it a lot easier, a zero spin. Now I'm just gonna go take for a pull, strap my GoPros where I usually strap them, and then yeah, I guess I'll post that, and then that'll be it for this video. Strap on the two GoPros where I normally do. One's on the boost gauge, one's on the gauge itself. Maybe now I should get a GoPro for this side now. Maybe mount it there or something. But yeah, that'll probably be the end of this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I know it's been a while since I had posted, but I do plan on getting back on posting normally, not just shorts. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. 2, 3.